Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The other day I got my truck back from the dealer. It had a leaking third brake light, which was letting water into the cab. I noticed because I got in and my glasses got foggy instantly. So I checked and I saw markers on the headliner. This is what they look like now. It's probably a little dark, but there were lines in here. I'll throw a picture up top to show you. And I also saw under this floor mat, there was some white stuff, and I'll throw a picture of that in there too. Some sort of residue, but they got the truck clean. They got it fixed. Turned out nice. I'm super pleased. But it came back. You can see, hopefully, that it's pretty dirty. We've got some pretty bad bird stuff on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and give her a wash. Why don't you sit back, open a cold beverage, and watch me work. Let's rinse this baby off. Next step, wash. Now that it's all soaked up, let's go rinse it off. So now that we've washed this truck, let's go ahead and look inside. I see no evidence of water. That's a good thing. I got a little flashlight here. Let's take a look. Yeah, no water at this time. Cool. Let me set you back down and let's get back to work. The next thing I like to do is use a clean microfiber cloth and Griot's Garage spray on wax. Use the wax as you dry the vehicle. So you spray it on and then dry the panel. And then you've got a light coating of wax. It's good as a maintenance coat between regular coats of wax. Now there's a lot of benefits to using a product like this. So as you're drying, if you find a stubborn piece of dirt that your mitt didn't take off, just a little squirt of this, hit it with the microfiber, and most of the time that stuff comes off. that's the quick and dirty way to get your car clean faster than you thought. That took about a half an hour, maybe a few minutes more. Now that we're done washing and drying the car, or the truck in this case, let's take a look at our handiwork. Now this is a 2019 Ram 1500 Limited in silver, billet silver they call it. And I think it's a beautiful truck. It's got some nice body lines. It's sleek. Those big 22s look gorgeous. Power running boards. And look how much nicer it looks once it's been washed and waxed, huh? Isn't that a beautiful truck? So if you like this video, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. And if you'd like to be notified when I upload videos in the future, go ahead and hit that bell icon too. Thanks, and have a good day.